The OnePlus 16 is shaping up to be an impressive flagship, even though we are still several months away from its expected launch in Q4 2026. Early leaks are starting to reveal what might be under the hood, and if accurate, this could be one of the most powerful and feature-packed phones of the year. Let's start with the display. The OnePlus 16 is rumored to feature a flat BOEX5 OLED panel with a resolution of 1020p. What really stands out is the refresh rate, a staggering 240Hz. This is higher than anything currently available on most smartphones, and it promises extremely smooth scrolling, gaming, and overall responsiveness. For users who prioritize display performance, especially gamers, this could be a major selling point. Under the hood, the OnePlus 16 is expected to run on a Pro version of Qualcomm's upcoming Snapdragon Elite Gen 6 chipset. According to leaks, this processor may reach clock speeds of up to 6 GHz, making it one of the fastest mobile processors ever. Paired with LPDDR6 RAM and UFS 4.1 storage, the phone should handle anything from intensive gaming to heavy multitasking without breaking a sweat. One drawback, however, is that storage will reportedly be non-expandable, so users will need to choose their storage size carefully. Battery life is another area where the OnePlus 16 could stand out. Leaks suggest a massive 9,000 mAh battery, which is far larger than most flagship phones on the market today. This huge battery is expected to support 120W wired fast charging and 50W wireless charging, meaning that even with heavy usage, topping up the phone should be fast and convenient. With this combination of a big battery and fast charging, the OnePlus 16 could easily last a full day or more under demanding use. Camera upgrades are also generating excitement. Early leaks indicate that the OnePlus 16 may feature 200MP Samsung ISO-CL HP5 sensors, one for the main camera and one for the periscope telephoto. This is a major jump in resolution compared to previous OnePlus phones and suggests the company is taking photography more seriously. There are also rumors of a new ultra-wide camera, although details on that sensor remain unclear. If accurate, these cameras could make the OnePlus 16 a versatile option for photography and videography enthusiasts. Other smaller but notable features include an ultrasonic 2.0 fingerprint scanner under the display, dual coaxial speakers for better audio, and a 0.916R vibration motor, which should improve haptic feedback. These features may seem minor, but they contribute to the overall premium feel and user experience. Taken together, the OnePlus 16 seems to focus on raw power, display performance, battery life, and high-end photography. It's clear that OnePlus is aiming to make this phone a top-tier flagship for both performance enthusiasts and content creators. Of course, it's still early days. All of these specs are based on leaks, so some details could change before the official launch. But even as a preliminary look, the OnePlus 16 looks like it could be one of the most impressive phones of 2026, combining extreme performance with a massive battery, ultra-fast charging, and high-resolution cameras. For users who prioritize speed, smooth displays, long battery life, and top-of-the-line cameras, the OnePlus 16 may very well be the next big flagship to watch. With Q4 2026 as the expected launch window, it won't be long before we see which of these leaks turn out to be true, and whether OnePlus can deliver on this ambitious vision.